It's our very first copy. Exciting. Hello lovely Squiggly Career community. I thought I would take you with us today because today is the day that Learn Like a Lobster gets printed in the UK. I have driven all the way to a lovely place called Bungay, which is where the book is being printed in there. I thought I would take you around the kind of book printing process, what it looks like, and you can maybe share in our excitement. Also, I think I'm the only person in this area that would be here with a lobster in my bag. Sarah messaged me last night. She's like, can you bring a lobster? So of course I can bring a lobster with me. So come along and see what it's like. And we're here in lovely clays, many of the books that they have printed. So I'm going to try and find everybody. Oh, look at this. It looks like a very old, what printing used to look like. That's very exciting. We will find the more modern version of this, I think, in a minute. I have found Sarah. How was your trip here?
Very beautiful because it's super sunny today.
It's a nice day. It's a nice day to be here.
Look at all the books.
I know. Right, yeah, here we go. So this is like the special pre-room. I've got some interesting facts. How many books do you think are printed here every year? Go on.
60 million.
Go higher.
200 million.
Go higher.
Oh no, shit.
Less.
I can't say that.
157 million. Sorry, I got distracted by the numbers.
We're so professional.
But
Soon we will be YouTubers.
Because I'm very excited by the amount of books.
I've not even told people where we are.
Well,
or is that coming? It was just like the teaser.
No, I've already done a bit before now.
Oh, right.
Before,
Okay.
Obviously,
Before me.
I did a bit before she got here. I mean, I'm a professional, Sarah.
Clearly.
Very good at this. Yeah, and how many acres do you think the where we're about to go through this room into the actual factory, how many acres big do you think the factory is?
50?
17. We're going to stop the quiz. Anyway, it's a very, very big factory and they make lots of books and ours is going to be printed here today. Started on Learn Like a Lobster. It's our very first copy. Exciting. Yay. Happy moment. Sarah, what are you up to? Sarah is putting
here next to her.
We're putting Sarah to work. Right. I'm going to leave Sarah there now for the rest of the day.
Probably couldn't afford it.
Well, I can write books, but I can't do this.
I'll let her go quite cheap, don't worry. So we are at the end of our tour of the printing, and Sarah has
this beautiful old printing press.
This is what was. So you've seen kind of what it looks like now, but that's where it all started.
That's where it began.
And this is where it's beginning for us. This is our very first copy of
Shiny.
Learn Like a... Yeah, we're very happy about.
Shiny.
I mean, it's a shiny red lobster. I don't think I've ever seen a more beautiful book. I'm very, very happy. So these will be coming onto shelves soon, so make sure you pre-order.
We've now printed lots of them, so
yes.
now please buy them.
Yeah, pre-order. And if you've got any questions about the printing process that we haven't covered, then just let us know. Thank you for watching, everybody.